Hi everyone. You know, we all enjoy getting out and about in our caravans and our motorhomes. We enjoy having the good times in them. But how many of us, I wonder, give a second thought to what's happening on the roof? One of the things that's so easy to overlook with a motorhome or caravan is to go and check on the condition of the roof. And like, the roof is exposed to just all the elements. It cops a battering all the time, especially our vehicle. It's not undercover, and so it's well worthwhile for us to go and check on the condition of the roof. So periodically I'll come up and I'll have a look, so checking things like the TV antenna, just to make sure that it's nice and secure, that the cabling is all fitting in well. Checking on the vent over the toilet to make sure that there's no signs of wear and tear and cracking, because you know the last thing you want is to get water into the vehicle when you're going away on a beautiful holiday. But also check the sealant as well, because all the bits and pieces that have been cut away, like the vent, like the air conditioner, putting in the TV antenna, the solar panel, all that sort of stuff has required cutting and drilling into the roof, and so to offset that then they've got to be sealed. So check the condition of the sealant. We probably check ours at least a couple of times a year, because if it's starting to show signs of wear and tear, then it either needs to be repaired or replaced. About 4 or 5 months after we purchased our vehicle, I climbed up and had a look at the roof for the first time, and I was really shocked to find that the roof was just covered, all across the top of the roof, covered in fine rust spots. And like, the vehicle was brand new. And so I contacted Jayco, and they said that because I'd cut things out, cut part of the roof away for the aircon, the vent, solar panel, etc., they didn't clean away the iron filings. And so over time, those iron filings had started to rust on the vehicle. If I hadn't have gone up to check the roof, then it'd probably still be looking like that and just be getting worse and worse. So fortunately I did. Jayco was able to go and fix that for us, and the roof looks great now. The other thing, we did a 2-week trip into far north Queensland last year, which was absolutely awesome. You can check those videos out. And after we came back, I climbed up on the roof, and the roof was just literally black. Black from soot and from mould, and so that meant that I needed to get in and give the roof a really good polish as well. So again, if I hadn't have come up and checked that, you know, it'd still be looking like that. So it's a great idea to climb up, check the roof periodically, make sure everything is secure, that the sealants are in place, everything's how it's supposed to be, because the last thing you want is to have trouble on a journey. Like next year, we're going away for a 7-week trip through New South Wales and South Australia, Victoria, and back up New South Wales coast, so we don't want to have any problems. And when you're on the roof, don't forget, check the condition of the cowling, make sure it's nice and secure as well. One thing that it's always good to do is to climb up, check the solar panels. If you've got a solar panel, give them a good clean with a soft cloth, make sure that they're working in peak condition. Also check the fittings as well, make sure that there's nothing loose, that the sealant's in place and not cracking. The last thing you want to do is have a malfunctioning solar panel. Make sure that the cables are secure. It's all fastened down nice and tight. The last thing you want is to also have one go flying off when you're driving down the road. But yeah, you're really wanting to have them working in peak condition. Keep those batteries topped up. And then while you're here, to also check the fittings for the awning as well. We have a Fiamma awning, so making sure that the ceilings are good, they're not cracked, everything's in place. So just making sure that the seals, the fastenings are all okay there. The awning's fitting nice and securely. We also have, our Jayco is also serviced by Jayco, the house part, from time to time. So that just gives us added security as well when we're traveling. So if you've enjoyed our video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel, and check out some other great videos that we have here. Thanks for watching.